Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Respectable ladies and gentlemen, today I am presenting you a beautiful poem of song. The poet is Great Gulzar Sahib and singer Great Kishore Kumar Sahib. From this point, from this point, there go different paths. Some surly, some fast paced. From this point, there go different paths. Some surly, some fast paced. Some paths leading to safely mansions. Some paths leading to safely mansions. Others to go, others to glass house, others to glass houses, some to nests. Weeds all go from this point. Others to glass houses, some to nests of weeds all go from this point. Like a raging storm, like a lagging storm, their source one path, their source one path. Then with cowly steps down to the earth, then with cowly steps down to the earth. I think amongst these velvet paths, there will be one a path lead me to you, a path that starts from here. A path comes from afar. A path comes from afar, comes close but turns away. It is a lovely path that goes nowhere. I think amongst these velvet paths, there will be one, there will be one, a path leads me to you, a path that starts from here. From this point, there go different path, some jesserly, some fast paced. Respectable ladies and gentlemen, now allow me, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.